Well, hello there guys, and welcome to my channel, Time to Cook. I am Chef Christy. Okay guys, today we are making cookies. Simple, easy, and delicious cookies called Cool Whip cookies. Yes, you heard me, I said Cool Whip. Now the reason why they are called Cool Whip cookies is because you use a container of Cool Whip. And then you will need your favorite cake mix. Now today I'm using a lemon cake mix, but that's one reason why I love these cookies so much is because any cake mix will work, so you pick your favorite. And all it is a container of Cool Whip, a box of cake mix, and 1 egg. You mix that together and then roll it in powdered sugar and bake them. And that's all there is to it. All right, so let me show you how to make these cookies. So to a large mixing bowl, I'm going to add my cake mix. Then I'm going to add an 8-ounce container of Cool Whip or whipped topping. And then 1 egg. Then just mix this together. All right, so make sure that you get the cake mixed really good. And then I'm just going to take a small cookie scoop and drop it in this powdered sugar. Roll it around and then place it on a baking sheet that I have lined with parchment paper. And that's it. And you will end up with a delicious cakey cookie. A lemon cakey cookie. Okay, so then all you need to do is bake them in a 350-degree oven for 8 to 10 minutes. Just look at these cookies. They are so pretty. And they taste good. So I'm going to make another batch, and I'm using a carrot cake mix. Yeah. These cookies are so delicious and super easy to make. I'm placing them on a pretty platter because I'm actually going to be taking them to a small women's gathering at my church this evening, and I know that they're going to love these cookies. I'm excited for them to try them. So it is that time for me to try a cookie, and I'm going to go with the carrot cake. That is so good. It is cakey but chewy, and you get that spice from the carrot cake. So it's almost like you're eating just a little piece of carrot cake in a cookie. That is delicious. And the thing that's really nice about these cookies, if you're watching your sugar, you want to go lower fat or lower calorie, get a sugar-free cake mix and sugar-free whipped topping. And you can omit the powdered sugar. You don't have to use it. And then you would have a low-calorie, low-fat, sugar-free cookie that is delicious. Well, thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you have a wonderful day, and I will see you soon with more recipes.